In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield washer reservoir on your Nissan Armada, located behind the front fender liner on the passenger side of the vehicle. Let's get started. When you open the hood, you're going to notice right behind the battery, there's going to be this container right here. Using a clip puller, we're going to go ahead and take that out. Just like that. Now you can simply grab onto this, twist it to the side, and pull it out. Using a 21mm socket, go ahead and remove the lug nuts. Remove the tire. With the tire out of the way, we're going to be using a T20 socket to remove these bolts. Go ahead and take them out. Next up, we're going to be removing a plastic clip that's located right over here. Moving to the bottom of the vehicle, we're going to locate this clip. Using a clip puller, go ahead and remove it. Now we can go ahead and remove these two clips. Moving over towards the front of the vehicle, we're going to have 3 more clips. Go ahead and remove those. We're going to have another clip right over here. Using that same tool, go ahead and remove it. Using a T20 socket, we're going to remove this bolt. We do not need to remove these two. We're going to now move on to the bottom of the vehicle so we can remove 3 10mm bolts. Moving to the bottom of the vehicle, right in the front, we're going to notice there's going to be 3 10mm bolts. Using a 10mm socket, go ahead and take those out. Now we can simply grab the fender liner and pull it out. We're going to start in the back, and then we're going to move our way forward. Move it away from the vehicle. With the fender liner out of the way, we now have access to the reservoir. We're going to start by disconnecting these 2 connectors. We're going to start with the gray one. Go ahead and squeeze on it and pull it out. We're going to have a brown connector that we're going to be also disconnecting. Go ahead and do the same thing. Move this harness out of the way. Next up, we're going to be disconnecting these 2 lines that goes to the pump. But before we do so, we want to make sure we have a container underneath because some of the windshield washer will leak out. I'm going to be using a trim tool, and I'm going to pull out this hose. We're going to be doing the same on this one. We're going to go ahead and let that drain. After letting it drain, we can go ahead and detach this hose from these 3 clips. Go ahead and start in the front. Work your way back. Now you can simply just move the hose away from the reservoir. And now we can remove these 2 10mm bolts. Using a 10mm socket, go ahead and take those out. Now we can grab the reservoir and slide it out. We're going to go towards the front of the vehicle. And now you can simply just take it off. And now we're ready to install the new one. We're going to be sliding it the same way the old one came out. We're going to pay attention to this right here. We're going to slide this onto this bracket. We're going to start with that, and then we're going to line up the holes. Push it in, line up the holes, and install the bolts by hand. Go ahead and snug them up. Do not over tighten these. This is only going to plastic. Now we can go ahead and install this hose. We're gonna clip it in the same way it was on the old one. Just like that. We can start by plugging in this hose. The one that comes in through the fender goes to this side. Make sure when you do this, you bottom it out all the way. And this one goes right over here. It should look something like this. Now we can go ahead and get the electrical connectors. We're gonna start with the brown one. Line it up and clip it in. Just give it a light tug to make sure that it is secure. We're gonna be doing the same with this one. Now we can go ahead and install the fender liner. We're gonna start by installing the 3 10mm bolts that go right in the front. Go ahead and line up the holes and install them by hand. Go ahead and get them snug. And now we can work our way in. Now we can go ahead and install this clip, line up the hole, and push it in. We're gonna do the same on this one. Go ahead and install this bolt. And get it snug. Do not over tighten these. This is going onto plastic. Now we can go ahead and install these two. Now we can go ahead and install these two. Go ahead and install this bolt. Go ahead and get it snug. Go ahead and install these two bolts. When you do this, you want to make sure the holes lined up. Go ahead and snug it up. Quick reminder, do not over tighten these. These are all going onto plastic. Now we can go ahead and install the clip that goes on the bottom. We can go ahead and install this one. Line it up and put the clip in. Install the tire. Go ahead and install the lug nuts by hand. Go ahead and snug everything up in a star pattern. With the vehicle on the ground, we're gonna go ahead and torque it to 98 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Now we can go ahead and install this piece. We're gonna line it up with the inside. Once you have it lined up with the hole, go ahead and push it in. Just like that. Now we can go ahead and install the clip that goes right on the top. Line it up with the hole and lock it in. Now we can go ahead and refill the reservoir. Go ahead and open it. Now we can use some windshield washer and pour it in. When you do this, you want to make sure that there's no leaks. Go ahead and close it. And check for functionality. That'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.